In this tutorial, I'll show you how to write meeting minutes in Clickup so you can keep your team organized and never miss important details. Start by opening your Clickup workspace and heading to your team space from the sidebar. This is where your shared projects and workflows live. Next, hover over your team space and click the three dots to open more options. From the menu, select Template. Now click Browse Templates and use the search bar to type meeting minutes. This will show you ready-made templates designed for documenting meetings. Take a moment to preview a few templates and choose one that fits your needs. Once you've found the right one, click Use Template. You'll be prompted to name it, so choose something clear like team meeting minutes or weekly sync notes. Now, customize the template by adding sections like agenda, key points, action items, and decisions. Adjust it based on how your team runs meetings. Once you're done, click Use Template again to apply it. Now every time you have a meeting, you can use this template to quickly capture notes, assign action items, and keep everything organized in one place. And that's it. You can now write clear and structured meeting minutes in Clickup.